Hello traders, how are you? I wanted to make this quick video to show you what's the process once you pass any one of the stages or challenges or levels on our programs. So once you complete a level, you will receive a mail like this one with your name and your account number and everything. And the first time you complete a challenge and you are and you need to receive money, we need to get from you some documents, okay, so we can send you the money correctly. So you will have to wait, okay, to wait for another email that you will receive from Deal. Deal is the company we use to process the payments, okay. Once you have the contract signed and a Deal account, you will be able to withdraw your money through PayPal, Pioneer, or Coinbase, or whatever option you choose to do. So you will receive this email. It's important for us also for you to fill your interview. Okay, we get a lot of insights from those interviews, and then you wait, and you will receive another email from Deal that I will show you right now. It might take up to 48 hours to get that email like that. Okay, so you will receive that mail. Again, your mail, all your information, and all you have to do is to review and sign. Okay, so if you follow that link, okay, so it'll take you to this page. Okay, so what you need to do is to log in, and if you have an account, you will have to sign up. And once you're there, you just log in, and then you will have only to sign your contract. It's very, very easy. And once you sign the contract, you will see inside, then you will be able to request a profit payout that I will show you right now. So if you don't have an account, you first need to sign up, and you need to sign up as a contractor, okay, because you want to get paid. So you continue, and then you fill in your information here. I'll do that quickly. Right, so once you follow the link, you will receive on your email, you will access to your Deal account as an individual, and then you will be requested to fill in some more information, personal information, and you will access your dashboard, your Deal dashboard. And once you request a profit payout, we will send you your money to your dashboard, and from here you will be able to withdraw that to your bank account or PayPal or whatever you choose. Okay, so I will show you now how to do a profit payout request. Okay, let's do that.
Perfect. So once you have a balance or money you can withdraw, you go to your dashboard and you request a profit payout. You click here, and you can select the amount of money you can request. This is what you can request. So, but you can request more, less than that if you want. Half of it, the amount, whatever you want. You have to check these two boxes and submit payout request. And that's it. That money will be taken out of your account, and we will receive that request, and we will need a few days to process the payment sent, and it will get to your dashboard, to your Deal dashboard, and from there you can withdraw by the best option available for you. Okay, so that's the whole process, guys. It's very, very, very simple. It's 5 minutes, and it's very convenient and very friendly.